Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm only talking about our new in colours. We have got 5 brand new in colours that will be joining us in May, which means we are losing 5 colours whose names have all fallen out of my head right now. But anyway, these are the 5 new in colours, and you will notice in comparison to an existing one that our ink pads have changed, and I kind of wanted to talk about both things. So this year, and only for this year, we've got this new style in these 5 colours. Next year and subsequently we will be slowly bringing in the new style, but it's just these 5. And this is our existing ink pad, which you open. It's always been described as opening it like a makeup pouch, like a I don't know, like a compact makeup compact, something like that, and then you slide it down. But as you can see from mine, they are quite stiff. So that's the old style, and the new style is very simple. You just pull the top off. It's magnetic. It just comes off like that. And you will also notice that we have got felt ink pads as opposed to the firm foam that we've had for maybe 7 or 8 years. So this is firm foam, but we're going back to felt, which is lovely. And so again, let me find one that I can open slightly better. There we go. The ink pad itself is slightly taller. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get that as close to the bottom as I possibly can. Slightly taller and very slightly narrower. And the casing itself, the same, slightly taller, slightly narrower. It's a bit like American cardstock versus International A4. Ours is longer but narrower. Anyway, so these are the 5 new in colours. They do all stack and are magnetic, although probably, yeah, I think 4 or 5 is about the most you can hold together. Yeah, 4 or 5. Now let me show you the colours. Barely Blush, very, very pretty colour in comparison to Petal Pink and Bubble Bath. That's kind of where it's sitting. Then we have Crisp Cantaloupe, which is an old colour that has come back, and again in comparison to Petal Pink, Calypso Coral and Timid Tiger. That's where that one is sitting. And let me put those back. And then we've got Golden Glow, which is gorgeous. And again, similar colours. That's where we're at with that one. And I'm going to try and put those back in the right places. Then we've got Peaceful Pine, which Garden Green, Shaded Spruce, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive. It's sitting sort of between those two. Between Garden Green and Shaded Spruce. It is a different colour to Shaded Spruce. I'm not sure how well that is showing up on my camera. Let's put those back in the correct places. And then finally, Hydrangea Hue, which is, it's kind of sitting all on its own. Yeah, Mossy Meadows way too dark. And Blueberry Bushel, definitely too dark, so it's very lovely. So we've got a really nice collection of colours. I'm just putting these all back on my racks. And then the way to label them is exactly the same as the old style of labelling. So obviously I've taken off the plastic casing, and yeah, I will also say that when you open it, you can actually flip that round and you're not going to lose your lid because it just sits like that. But I love it. Love, love, love these. So yeah, I've taken off the backing, and then I don't know if you can see. There we go, if I can get the light to go across it. These are the stickers here at this point. Oh, hello Fauna, where did you appear from? And if you come down here about halfway down, sticky label, you can pick it up you can pick it up, there we go, and leave those 4 stickers behind. Stick that in the bin, and then you pick up the colour you want, or the name that you want, and just stick it on the front. And then of course you can take another, so it's written, yeah, it's written twice in English, and then I'm going to say that's probably German, and well, that would be French, and that will be German. And you can actually fit another one on the inside of this bit here. I tend not to do that because I open, use and close straight away, but I know others do. I don't think I've got any of these that I've, no, because you could put them in that bit before, but exactly the same principle. Pop it on the end, and then you can see what your colours are, and label your crisp cantaloupe better than I did, because I went far too far to the right. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. So it's only these 5 that are in the new style of ink pad. Yes, they sit in our storage units the same as previously. Let me see if I can bring my Subtles one. I actually only, it's a thing, I only stack mine 9 high, but that's because they sit under a shelf in my office. So I'm going to put these in. They do fit in, albeit they stick out more. Let me see if I can tip that without separating the whole thing. Oh, it's fallen apart. They do stick out a little bit more, but they do fit in without issue. They've all wiggled now. Oh, I'm going to have to fiddle about with that off camera. But if I can pick up 2, they do sit in without any issue in the same storage units that we've always had. Like I say, I've got a set of shelves. Well, it's actually a windowsill right here, so I only ever have 9. Right set of shelves. Oh look, I've got a whole empty set to my right. But yeah, so they do still fit in there without any issue. And those are our new in colours. So Barely Blush, Crisp Cantaloupe, Golden Glow, Peaceful Pine and Hydrangea Hue. Very pretty. We have got cardstock to match. We've got 2 sets of embellishments that match. Here's one of them. Don't know where the other one is. Where is it? There's the other one. So 12 by 12 cardstock, A4 cardstock, 2 sets of embellishments. We've got blends. We will have glitter pens. At the point in time I'm filming, they're not out yet. They're coming out in the May catalogue. We've got pearl paper to match. I think that's it. Ribbons. There are ribbons to match as well. So all the things, and a nice little sort of rainbow. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.